Yep, he said I see. Then I get a bullet that November I wait. Get what? Bullet that. Are.
Bullet that.
You learn to that. I Joe. Yes, I'm feeling yellow. I will 2.1. Aye. Yo, not the movie. Don't to the game, but I wouldn't that. Yo, can I opinion of steamer? I got steamer. Hey, you never been something you wouldn't touch it.
We love a special now.
Sirs, can I tell you if you don't yell moon over the game?
Oh,
no. Alright, I will take a bit of time. Clan, I fell out of the no, Yabro, FM, 88.5 megahertz ago, so the Carada Boafa, the Dr. November, Artoka, Kanya Yamentu, Emicam Consulants in Jam. Set out in Conwood Cantoron Tahaso, Dr. Novi,
Hotman for me.
was here, Dr. Ah, Yavana, to sit You can't be like enough like a bullet. Who cares if I thank you, doctor.
Thank you. I came on the Zipin. Come on, you've been.
You won't like it. You want to November again. I'm going to Shapaquasa. Doctor, I'm going to be separate of
Mameriki secretary, Moro Francia. Melanco fell on my pay. Did you miss the doctor?
Doctor, no, who did I get a bag of so to
did you speak?
Hey, Doctor, special. Yeah. I know I can put the phone.
No.
I know Doctor has a go with a phone.
No.
When's the matter?
Especially for Motel FM, Mammy,
not a doctor or it's Doctor Guacanya will come to the home. Mento.
Yeah.
Tipo paresimula honefo. Aribuaka mento.
Ribuaka motio. Yana living to the similar little battle batona.
Yeah.
Kapa little una litona. So batamo di hodisa.
Yeah.
Kapa so batang o di sustain or to do forever. Mento akiri aribaka mento aribika malema. Ribuaka motiana leading to so na litona. Let's say you are into business.
Yeah.
Now obata but leona not akri mentor kemotiana similar to batang bayo if unali business ya shop obata moto ya similar to that yes atile ntwenye do you make sense obata motia atile ntwenye that is number 2 obata motia to tusango grow and so na leo hape o batla motho o thusang o sustain or we boloke ke tsa sense so mente ke motho ana le dintho tso similar le tsena so di batlang ka patso ona le tsona yeah
ke mang yo tshwana la go nna le mento na re ke nna yo batla go bereka mo radio kana malo ba botshwana nne le mento.
Actually I will say everyone wants to be the mento because emole emona le ntho ya le mo yona kapa ya specializing ka ka pa batla go ba yona. Do you make sense?
Yeah,
just to like buiki mamesa tsikitla o buile something activity man ya buile something very important o ka etsa batswadi ba mento. No kaba yet if let's say batswadi ba ho ba phetse hantle lenyalo until ba hola ba ntse ba le together and o believe lenyalo you can make batswadi ba ho di mento tsa hao. Okay ke bone mamaka le papa ka ba phela so ke batla apaka le na antuse o sustain le nyalo laka le hore ke sustain le lapa la ka le bana baka so you can do batswadi ba mento but to depend on mento ya hao. I mean it's important to mento on something be le ibe abe le ntho tsona tso batlang ba tsona ka pa tso le ntsona.
Yeah.
Yes about
All right, jaanong doctor o mo tlhopha ka tsela e ntseng jang le gone gore ha ke re ke batla doctor e nne mentor ka na re ke mo lebella fela tsamaela gakala le nna na re tshwantse ke matumetse ga ka kana ke tshwana ke dire yang.
Yeah, mentor is very important to ube le access here. Yeah, mentor is very important to ube le access ye o kgone ho bua le yena because number one, agree you learn from that person.
Yeah.
Now, when I didn't tell something, kapa le di qoqe kapa le di discuss kapa o fe advice that's all.
Yeah.
It's very important but ba bangata ba yetsa taba hore motho no ke na le mentor but ile distance.
Yeah.
Wa bona motho no. But you must remember how ntse until you dula le na fast. Do you make sense? When you dula le na fast then kona tlo tseba. So you cannot say can I mentor but mentor how kiani you get my point. Wa mona wa achieve ona le dilo tsa di achieve but I would say more the downfall tsa hae o ile jwang o faith ha kae because agreement tshwantsa o fe the good side and the bad side ne our advice ka dintho tsena tse pedi our advice monna ke wile kapa ke faith because you know one of the things about harna but ba honest gore motho o bolelo re ndate nna ke blunder so batho ba o fa side le one fela the good side and ka ke re hloka mentor o tshwantse o thole le the bad side so that o tseba kre mentor o thusa wena gore o ska tlo kena di blundereng tseo yena ke a ska tlo kena di faileng tseo yena a kena mo tsona so that is why re hloka di mentor tse close o nang le chance ya bua last close let's say o jobe ke wena o mona but o be le access ya bua le yona le di DJ di hloka di mentor.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Don't tell me.
No, they're soccer.
Yeah.
Serious?
No, they're soccer. You know why? Because remember that, you know, you can have a very beautiful gift and powerful gift. Mara busha into one from obusina mo kapa maitseo to protect it and Louis Hoodies. You have a very good, a powerful gift, and but you don't. So that is why Ronaldo the DJ Teba famous today was anyway. You get my point? Can I give a video story says about to across social media Babwa the caps.
Yeah, caps are small.
The caps are small. Baru uchinchile a friendship ya high. Osamata lebo man baba hlaisitse mo ya bona gore na o change association and then babwa ka gore life ya hae pele in le so but since I change the friendship life ya hae is in so you get my point so le di DJ le runa ba root everyone like which e mole mo wa hlokamento le batho ba batla manyalo kapa ba ka ramanyalo ba hloka ba di hloka dimento
ya ga no santa re le teng mo kganyeng ya ga Kabza ke o mento ya ka wa mgodisa a ke fetsa wa tlega ke bona gore a ke sa go tlhoka na ntse dumeletsegile gore ke rai a ke sa tlhoka ala go mgodisitse wa nkitlisa mo ke leng go teng ka tsele ke go lebeletseng
it's dangerous I right but again in only two sides that thing o ka ngodisa o fihlela leveleng e itseng batho bo thola gore I was on a winkisa living you.
Yeah.
Now I'm forced to tolerate your forsala or go change no. Kibaka motiasing I living ew killing yona no.
Yeah.
Do it make sense?
Yeah.
It's bad impi when change na go change just because you feel not right, you know, but there is nothing wrong with it. Kebe mento ya how until leveling 18 now from leveling yo songulu yona kapa yo o yang ho yona ne ha ke sa gona ho mentor ho fitis it's like one John I mean why we cannot school until matric after matric you are forced to leave your teacher.
It's a must.
It's a must. Or where to jump or samaya. We are school on saying, Ulogo parallel, the teacher, one level, ew, ulungoyon.
Yeah.
Do you make sense? So it's the same thing. Yakonalor, go mentor or no job, but then I'm going to tell my kifil or no, jolly sense, Usansu move a level in your mobility.
Yeah. Doctor, you know, when I on a packet, Babatle a guest in a packet. Dr. November ke una dilo tse ke di ratang tse 10 tse ke batlang go ipona ke tshwana le ene ka tsona. Social media ke gape ya motlhagisa ka fa re tsa wa para besisi a ke rate mo karolong eo ke bereka ka selentseng jang ha re fitla mo karolong eo gore man ke na le mento ya ka ena le dilo di le some se ke di ratang go na le engwe ke sa e rateng ka ene ke bereka ka selentseng jang na re one year e senyeletsa tse di
you know my teaching until about transcends by understand even if I can be your mentor but that doesn't mean everything you can be my mentor but that doesn't mean you must remember leading mentor una leading to good to but I remember I did I had a mentor getting a transformable back. So Kilekanka every single mentor ya come. Kilekanka to young William. Kesatible saying they are very dangerous. They write for Yena, but I write for you get my point. So I remember the mentor. There is nothing wrong. Okay, nikibata hotla tabinya ona lidi tete good ka Dr. November so ka dinka ona ndoto bana ngore martse na tsona ha di good you decide to runga in mentor nyao so it's difficult to say o tlo thola mentor ye ena lidi tete di ratang ka o fela o tlo rata everything ka yena lo now you pick and select and choose or wena batla unka mentor nyao remember akira rebeka mentor ubwaka muti ya na leading to batlang ba tsona you understand my point ubwaka muti ya na leading to batlang go ba tsona ka patso batlang di bolo ka or disketsa fella tsele so come on someone if u batla it's November mentor ba ra ora ti diketa tsa November then you choose November le hlakurin lena la dinto tse di ratang tlela lengwe tlela lengwe
Pastor November, you have a point. I learned something today. A mentor must be someone close to you. I was not aware of this part. Thank you, Muruti from Wamasole. Aru voice note ka kwana gongwe wa botsa kana wa tshwai.
Ntate ke tsebile gore ke tswa lekweteng nna a ke na mentor mohlomong mentor kana ka ka batswadi ba se ba robetse a bophelo ba ka ke bophelo ba na sa le ke borutwa ke dula ke le mong ka tlung monna ka nantsia o thobaletse a moya wa go bala ka khotso batho bophelo ba ka ke phela e ka re ke na le ntate ka tlung ke a pheya ke tsa mosebetsi o etswang ke mme mfazi oqotho ba khotsi ke na le different but ke bua le tsona over the phone ha ke na le tsona re fela mo toropong khotsa kerekeng ke phela bophelo ba ka fela ke simple mo bathong ke dubedisa mang le mang ke thusa batho ba nketsa hambe but ke dula ke le smiling
ya etele thata fela ke dimela gore e utlwagetse mo e yang teng. Doctor botlhokwa ba go nna le mento gonne ke lebella ke ne ke tlotla le boromo fa gore ke dumela gore mo nakong ya ga jana tse dintsa tsa diphoso tse le gore ba sha ba di dira tse le gore ra di dira ke ka ntla gore ha gona so se go khalemela gore ke batla go tshwana le doctor re ke se ka dira so se se jana cause doctor ha di risole so ha re tsile tsela eo ya tsela e tshwana le batho ba ile gore re batla go tshwana le bona botlhokwa ba go nna le mento go motho ile gore o utlwa mme ga hana mento botlhokwa ba go nna le mento ke bofe
a re qala ka ya ya buileng ka gore una sa se gore mento tsantsi motho o ibe motho o buang le remember a re bua ka mento re bua ka motho ya similar to mosebetsi motho o tlo etsa mosebetsi tshwanelwa coach Ronaldinho ke boma player tsene dangerous tse tsa mo overseas Ronaldinho bomang bana le di coach ne bana le di manager and coach le di manager tsa bona di gona go le bona ba gona go bua le di coach tsa bona le di manager tsa bona as much bana le ke bo mabobe bebeto wa bona
bonema
bonema yes bana as much ba le good mare ba na le di-coach ha ba qetile ba na le di-manager ba na le di-mentor wena mamedi a ka ratang so it's very important and di-coach tse di di-manager tse bona ke batho ba na le access ba kgona go bua le bona so as much o na le gift o na le in you need somebody o ka buang le ena momamedi ke ya pele and yo o kgonang go bua le ena e seng yo o ithutang dintho from a distance le ho yena because ha ke letse ho na le mo ke tswang teng motho a bona Dr. November Dr. November o na le mo tswang teng so if I am your mentor tshwantse you ke fe hoa le ho tsoa haka so that le mohlang wena o kopanang le dintho tse o diang o botse ba re okay mentor a ka mpoleletse hore o ikila wa o tswile so you get my point because ntho e tse hore batho ba faile life gore we don't have coach rena batho ba coacha maphelo a rona batho ba shebang gore ba re jwetsa gore ska etsa tsena you get my point that is number 1 and then 2 mama o bua ka gore yona hana ana mentor ona le batho ba sena mentor I understand the reason why batho ba take about the mentor it is because batho ba etsa dintho tsa today batho ba etsa ntho ya today ya sa kgathaleng gore o sane e tla mo kenya e tlo mo sebeletsa kapa e tlo tswa ntse le teng but if you want remember ke itse purpose ya coach I mean ya mentor ke gore a tlo thusa lo sustain ho boloka ntho ena hore e be teng e ska ba ntho e teng today kapa e tlo fela ho sane you get my point then again hona le batho he on a serious note ba o maphelo a bona ha ona mayante gore I interested to anything motho ya jwalo ya seng interested to anything that person was looking into ka nnete hloka la mente because bophelo ba ha ona mo o batlang go buisa teng ha ona ntho batlang go achieve ona wa tswa wa robala fela so ona le batho ba jwalo ba tswa wa robala fela sleeping and wake up and sleeping wake up and sleeping so we said because mente ke motho ana le ditso tse batlang go ba tsona ka patso batlang go di fihlela
ya no doctor ha re tlo garela puisano ya ka lwena ka kwana ya rona lwena ka kwana tsela ya go tlhopha mento ke mogasi mo Motheo FM fela ke rata tsela ye wena o le moruti o tshelang ka yona na re ntse kgonega gore ke le DJ ke be ke nka mento ya moruti gonne ke rata botshelo bo botshela ke rata tsela yo tshwere lapa la gago ka yone yalo le jang
it's very important important you must remember to ho ba le mento that doesn't mean o ka ba le mento e one no agree bophelo ba rona bona le dintho tse ngata dingata haholo o tlo thola gore o DJ again you want to be into business o batla ba le lelapa there is nothing o tlo thola gore November o good to mentor le hlakoreng la bo DJ but how good to mentor le hlakoreng la lelapa so there is nothing wrong gore kanka batho ba different go latella dintho tse different tso o leng tsona ka batho nang le tsona ka batho ba tlo mo ba tsona there is nothing wrong e bile nna ke na le size sa ka ema ke bone kete ke mo mentor ka dikete
ka pelenyana aruta moretsi fa wa bofelo re tswalla
dumelang mo studio ntate November re tla le mentor yang re le society e bitter e angry ha motho a ntse hantle ntse le bothata ha motho a ntse hampe ke bothata so ha re ne re nna le ntho le dimento because re bitter ha ona motho a tla mo gona e tlhago botse gona o gona yang go tloga ba motho tla ba bolela for o na le noga o ira eng ya nngwe ha gona dilo tse matsatsing a gona dilo tse re iphelela hela ke ka mo ba ga ke be ke tlang e hela
yo ya no Dr. Mobile sentle
yo mama o buile ntho very powerful and that ke ntho e tsala o buile I don't want to like buile nnete because nowadays I think success is about to this challenge. Instead, they are be angry and bitter and jealous. I'm telling you, Mama willing to very, very powerful because today the success is about to baba. I saw the challenge. o ka strike la ro shebile
Yeah.
but once o sane like a tshwara o tla botho mama hona le noga o ka strike la ntate ro shebile once o ba le phunyeletso ba le breakthrough ntho nye o yetsa ntate re tlo ba bitter re tlo ba angry ha hona motho ya tlang ba fihla re mare papa o berekile ya
go tlile yang go fetoga
go tlile yang go go fetoga nthuseng advice no. Yeah, number 2, most about to raise us on. When we get out achieve, we get out at the intensity. I remember that the mentor yak. I can keep color fish away. So I color fish away and another telete and everything of one. So to popular immigrants in I culture V. So to Mokopa the picker at the monitors. Get away and that to open the picker at the monitors. One of these and another thing out. So about Hanaka. Itsa qeta hana ka tsona ha ke start to koloi ke tla Bloemfontein ne ke mo kwatetse ke feel no that was selfish man how can hana ka dipikara tse petse ba tsana ngata ibile ba qeta ho reka tse ding that modi ba rona no. That is the mentality, a poor mentality, a poverty mentality. Your problem will operate like a poverty mentality. Mutena a poverty mentality. Every time, I feel I'm telling you, why you? Mutena a poverty mentality. Mutena le kelo la bufutana. Le half fika pela mutu yo akai tutending toyen. Ufika utaka kelo la ukup. And once usampe, aksama tlanetsisa nka o jala ka bua dithoto tse ntse re se ka so ntate mdi ba rona a ke o tlisetsa motho na go tlokopa ke tlisetse this person you must come and learn and believe in that ke ne ke learn that is why kileng ka ba moruti a been successful in Bloemfontein you are not a mama ibua but what change about ke na di know because I've like a learner to somebody who was very successful in the ministry that man was very successful that means le di crusade in abalidi una na di tracker ana le di caravan ana le di van and di ntotso ne ke bile tsona ka ofela the same way mentor ka na le ka te ke ne ke bile tsona di ntotso di ntse di le today but now poverty mentality kelelo ya bofutsana ke ene ya tsang gore ha re le pela batho every time re na le kelelo ya ukupa net ya we not ya we tooth and now but bana ba se ba sa riff re ba kwatela re ba angry and very bitter.
Yo, Doctor, mlatsa wa bofelo re tswana.
Mamedi is very important to rebellion. You know, as a papa, very important to Mamedi. Like you say, even lead player as a good, dinner the coach, dinner the manager. We need but a manager, but Pilaruna, even if really good. At the same time, respect the mentor. If you want to grow, or grow and turn and learn a gift, you need a mentor. But the problem, mentor, sometimes Ronald debate like a friendship and a mentor, a partner.
You're going to go for that, doctor.
When I'm going to go to film, I'm going to
Why you are from doctor?
You are high. Yeah, no, quick Raja. I can't kill a bit. Every Tuesday, Raja, near about to the children, making a local house.
You like in a local Baraki, begins having the camera.
No, ring the picky for charge for. But I can't live in a talk up at 10 past 11 o'clock. Home. Yes, getting up. Calabra, because I'm getting Busiku more can I not come see? Then Friday, you better skate the sun, Saka little well like it.
No, you want to know.
Marva feti ya le chama kile mule. Na inbox ana kusana sabagani.
Ah, e kana sa inbox tsa ha. Di shebe. O shebe le epo pilote na.
Ke bone o re ha nana.
O batla ho ntate moruti.
Xavier Bossi.
Ula tate. Ah, no.
Thank you, man. Thank you for your time, guys. How are you, my Poncho? I don't eat, I love you. I don't eat, I don't sleep. I don't drink. I don't eat, I don't sleep, I don't drink. Are you good, my baby? Okay, guys, thank you so much. See you later.